Yes, darling. Hello.
Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we have this look for you. So sit back, relax, get some snacks, and watch this video. Okay, so I've already done my brows. As you know, it takes time, so there we go. And I am going to start with my concealer, the LA Girl. And this look is going to be pigmented. So I've already put powder to set my eyes, but I don't think. So I'm going to put back the concealer. I hope it's not going to turn muddy, but so that the color that I'm going to be using can stick on nicely. I think that's a bit too much. Okay, so that is done, and I'm going to pack my pigment. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to start with this orange from the Huda Beauty palette that I usually use. And then I'm going to pack it there, just above my cut crease. Don't be afraid of color. This is a colorful look, so I can. Can you see what concealer does? It acts the same as a base. And then I'm going to go for these two reds. Then I'm going to take this brush and just darken it a bit. At first it's gonna look scary, guys, don't worry. You know, in makeup there's phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Phase 1 is when you started and it looks like you're going there, right? Phase 2 is when you're in the middle and it looks like absolute rubbish. I'm in phase 2, but you need to power through. You need to power through it. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease and clean up. So I'm just making sure just before I'm going to cut my crease that the darkness is just above my crease so that I don't cut it out. Okay, then I am going to fill in my eyes with the white. I got this palette from my sister. It can't even fit in the frame. Let me show you. Oh, I'll insert a picture there. And I'm going to use this white shade. And then I'm going to put it in my inner corners. I'm then going to go back to the Huda Beauty and go for that orange. The orange that I put there, I'm going to put it right next to the white. I am going to blend the white and the orange. Use the tip of the brush and slowly just brush over. It doesn't have to be perfect. You'll see what you can add if you want to add more orange or more white, but it must blend. then go over the orange. See? Perfect. Then I'm going to do the same thing to this eye. I'm going to go with the red now that I've blended these two, using the same brush. I just wiped it off. And then I'm going to blend the red and the orange together using what's left over. And this is how it looks. Keep on blending. If you do want to add more orange, you can. So I'm just taking another clean brush because that brush already has red and it's a bit darker. I'm just going to touch up there. I'm going to touch up the orange. Then I'm going to put purple there, just to tie it all together. I'm going to use the same purple from the palette that my sister gave me, just like that. Then I'm going to add just a tiny bit of black just to make it darker. It's actually brown, not black. Okay, so this is how it looks. I am going to wipe everything off, then put on my foundation, and I will be back. Okay, so my face is done. I am going to highlight and contour. I am going to do my under eyes. Just gonna go back with the same colors, the red, the brown, and the orange. So my lashes are on and I'm going to do my lips on camera. I put some lip balm, but I'm just going to dab it off so that I can put my lip liner. I got this at China City. I think it was like 30 bucks. I used to use this just as lipstick on its own, but I got a better lipstick, which I love. I'll go over it with my Sephora lipstick. Okay guys, so this is the final look with the lips. I'm going to do my hair. I'll be back. I love it, I love it, I love it. And this is how the tutorial turned out. Why don't we wake up like this in the morning, Mare? Why? Why?